These thrifted hankies are so beautiful, and they create such a beautiful extra element to any Christmas gift. We are going to pick one and create a bow out of it. They need to be square. Fold it once diagonally. And then begin to roll it. The number of times that you roll it does not matter. I am using a ring off of a water bottle, but you can use anything that you think would work for this. I've also used a rubber band, which works very well because you can get it tight and you can create more of a bow shape. This ring is a little bit too large, but I did get it to work. You want to make sure that the top loop and the tail from the same side both go through the ring at the same time. Thread the hanky through the ring until you get it to the center, and at this point you just kind of fiddle with it and play with it until you get it to look exactly the way you want it. To cover up the plastic ring or rubber band, whichever you choose to use, a brooch works really well for this and also serves as another little gift. Check out the comments below and tell me about your thrifty Christmas ideas. To attach the bow to the box, I took a piece of tape and just threaded it through the plastic ring. Not only do you have the gift that you placed inside the box, but you also have the vintage handkerchief and also the brooch, or you can also use a ring to put your bow together, which I did here. All items were thrifted, and when you put it all together, it created a beautiful, presentable, fun gift to give. You can also use some beautiful lace and a brooch and some greenery. For us, money is going to be tight this Christmas, and I wanted to come up with creative ways to be able to give special gifts. I know that giving gifts is not the true meaning and the most important part of Christmas, but it is something that I still enjoy doing, and I'm going to be exploring more in future videos other thrifty ideas that I could use this Christmas season. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye for now. Do not fret or have any anxiety about anything, but in every circumstance and in everything, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, continue to make your wants known to God.